Greetings, it's Intuitive Jacob, your shaman and cosmic midwife, back to do an unboxing of the Black Moon Astrology Cards by Susan Sheppard. Really excited about these and wanted to thank all of you that subscribe to my channel and thumbs up my content and support me with ordering personal readings and just being here in my community. I was able to get this new deck of cards and I'm really looking forward to seeing what's inside. So I'll catch you on the inside of this one and we'll take a look together. Yeah, super excited about these. Haven't even opened them up yet, so this is kind of special. And I actually did an unboxing of the Queen of the Moon Oracle deck just the other day. I tried to do it here on YouTube, but for some reason it didn't stream. I was live, and anyway, it's on Twitch if anybody's interested. I did share a reading as well. So let's get another look. I'll go up close here so you can see those, and bust out my Victorinox SD. I use this thing all the time. That's why I wear it around my neck. This thing gets used constantly throughout the day. Very, very helpful. So this is done by Blue Angel. That's what the name of the, I guess that's the publication company. Yeah, Blue Angel Publishing is what it says here on the box. But this is 52 cards in a guidebook. I'll go ahead and read the back to you too. Drawing on the ancient discipline of interpreting the night sky, the Black Moon Astrology Cards give you access to the tangible wisdom contained in the heavens above. The movements of the planets, the luminaries, and the stars are reflected in the happenings on Earth and influence our lives, bodies, souls, and destinies. As a science and as an art, astrology reveals the insight and knowledge that is literally written in the stars. The 52 cards are based upon the most important placements of a horoscope, making this an in-depth deck for divination and self-awareness. The 184-page guidebook includes information on a range of astrological influences, including the planets, eclipses, and the lunar nodes. You don't need to be an astrologer to read these cards. With a divinatory meaning, keywords, and tarot correspondence for each card, this deck makes the principles and revelations of astrology accessible to all. Explore the complex connections between you and the stars to illuminate your path and work fate to your favor. Get ready to shine with the Black Moon Astrology Cards. I'm excited. Let's see what they look like. Okay. That's the book. That art. And wow, these are nice. So let's see. Slip that plastic sleeve off of there. And wow, these are gorgeous. This first one here is the Sun, Spirit, number 1. I don't know how well you can see this, but there's some ancient art here. Looks like something that might have been found inside of a cave. And those are the backs up close. Beautiful, with the glyphs. To the moon. Soul. Those greens are incredible. This looks like, is that Mayan? If you can look up close there. The face. Looks like something that might have been inside some of the pyramids. Oh, now we have something Egyptian. You've got 3, Mercury, mind. Almost looks like the flash from labradorite, like some sort of spectral light here. The art is gorgeous. All right, 4, Venus, love. That is spectacular. I love how they have her on the shell there. She's like coming out of the shell like a pearl. All right, I got 5, Mars, force. 6, Saturn, truth. Jupiter, 7, abundance. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up. We just had Jupiter go direct recently. This will be a fun one to hear about. Read a little bit about it. It looks like there's 1, 2, about 2.5 pages on each of these. That's what the book looks like. It's a good bit of information there. We have these other pages. So I'm going to go ahead and read. Jupiter, abundance. The lips of the wise are as the doors of a cabinet. No sooner are they opened, but treasures are poured out before thee. And that is a quote from Akhenaten. Expect doors to swing open. By far the largest and most magnanimous of all of the heavenly bodies in our solar system, in the Roman pantheon, Jupiter was referred to as King of all gods. Jupiter corresponds to the Greek Zeus and the Norse god Odin. Because Jupiter is so vast and expansive, this planet is the gate opener for better luck. The earlier Greeks called the planet Jupiter Phaethon, which meant the brightest star. Because of Jupiter's immensity, it is one of the easiest planets to see with the naked eye. As the ruler of Sagittarius, the centaur, Jupiter has a dual role of being half human and half beast. The planet Jupiter casts off more heat than it takes from the sun. And thusly, this giant planet is one of generosity and joyfulness. In astrology, it is the great benefic, the soother of hurts and bruises, and promises a period of good fortune when hard luck is coming to an end. Similar to Saturn, Jupiter can represent the father and what you have inherited from your father. When the energy of Jupiter enters your reading, you can be assured luck is on your side and fortune shines on you. You are being given not only a gift, but also a lift, if not divine help. Blocks are being removed as you wield influence through your own positivity and goodwill. This is certainly an astrological lucky break, but you won't be able to kick back and rest on your laurels. Instead, you will be required to attend to what you set into place and keep the positivity and attention flowing. You must continue to nurture the energies to the projects or events you have started. Otherwise, they could fall into entropy or decay. When it comes to providence and fortune, there is always a payment due, some toil or sacrifice on your part. So do keep this in mind. You are on your way. Just don't neglect things or become lax in your endeavors, which are traits of Jupiter as well, meaning the possibility of taking important matters for granted. Because Jupiter can make you feel happy and complacent, you may have to watch out for weight gain and for other ways you indulge yourself in others. It is important to keep a watchful eye and not skim over the details in any matter. Since Jupiter is strongly tied to the law and ideas of fairness, you may find your opinions and convictions rather strong at the present time. Jupiter is represented by largesse, so try not to become overbearing, as this attitude could sabotage all you have worked for. If you feel at the moment you are in a dark period of time and you've drawn the Jupiter card, be assured blessings are on the way. Doors are opening. With generosity and in faith, it is time to walk through them. The Jupiter card gives positive spin to any reading. Keep this in mind regardless of surrounding cards. It's a really detailed account here on Jupiter, and there's also a little bit more here. I'm just going to read the brief and let you know there's a description like this for every single card. Jupiter card in brief: expansion, the wide, open range, moving on to better things, greener pastures, fortune, the lifting of obstacles, respite after a time of stress or turmoil, the high road, opulent projects, indulgence, the payoff, drunkards, recreational drug use, being excessive, being generous, showing generosity, humor, being kingly or queenly, benevolent ruler, religion, spiritual ideas, spirit quest, scriptures, religious texts, the higher mind, wanting to see the meaning behind life, churches, priests, the Catholic Church, astrologers, places of learning, such as universities, schooling, teachers, the law, being free, having a purpose, openness, showing tolerance, being all-inclusive, honor, having gratitude, having goodwill, the colors violet, purple, and royal blue, large animals, especially large dogs and horses, farms, and the corresponding tarot card is the Wheel of Fortune. Key ideas: change in luck, fortune, high ideals, sense of purpose, and the strength to go on. Wow, there is so much in here. I think for anybody that's been looking to learn about astrology or looking for a good deck to kind of walk you through, these would make incredible flashcards. So I think I paid about $24 for these. Really good investment. I'll leave a link below if anybody's interested in purchasing this deck, the Black Moon Astrology Cards by Susan Sheppard. I'm already very impressed just by what I've seen here. So that was the Saturn card, or excuse me, Jupiter card. I was looking at Saturn, that was right underneath. That's the Jupiter card that I just read to you, number 7. So, oh, look at this, Chiron for 8. We have healing. It looks like it's Chiron being healed. Let's see what that says. Huh. The wound is the place where the light enters you, by Rumi. That's beautiful. So cool. So we have Chiron here, number 8. Uranus, number 9. The Genius. We have Neptune, number 10, for sacrifice. #11, Pluto, transformation. 12. Black Moon Lilith. Mystery. Yeah. That's my girl. My Lilith and my Jupiter are actually on the same degree, so I don't know. I get really kind of a kick out of hearing about the double swinging door on those. Definitely makes sense to me. Let's see, we've got 13 Aries. I am. That is some bold art right there. That ram's head is great. Got 14 Taurus. I have. Wow. 15 Gemini. I think. 16 Cancer. I feel. 17 Leo. I will. I can't wait to use these as clarifiers. This is going to be great. Let's see here. 18 Virgo. I analyze. 19 Libra. Balance. Ooh, that's nice. Having a Libra new moon at the time that I'm recording this. Really nice card for that. It's like the lovers there. Getting ready to whatever. Here's an embrace. We have 20 Scorpio. I transform. Kind of a little stuck together. They're slick. I haven't shuffled them yet. You saw I just pulled them out of the box. 21 Sagittarius. I see. Yeah. 22 Capricorn. I use. 23 Aquarius. I know. Those are my colors right there. Kind of looks like my business card. That's kind of crazy. I have an Aquarius sun. I like how and you just got my colors there. It's like the violet flame stuff. I thought my fuchsia power. That's so cool. I show two people here with the Aquarius, which is interesting too. Usually I see like a masculine energy pouring the water, but it's a feminine, and there's actually two of them right there. Let's see what else. We've got 24 Pisces. I believe. Oof, loaded words for me. 25. First house. The body. 26. Second house. Owning. Third house. Number 27. Messages. 27. Fourth house. Roots. 29. Fifth house. Creativity. That art is intense. Oof. His face has kind of tripped me out there. Oh. 36th house. Routine. 31. 7th house. Partners. Oh, that's lovely. It's like, I like that. Okay. 32. 8th house. endings and beginnings. 33, 9th house, faith. 34, 10th house, the world. Yes. 35, 11th house, friends. 36, 12th house, escape. 37, fire element, desire. 38, earth element, stability. 39, air element, communicating. 40, water element, sensing. 41, north node, life's purpose. 42, south node, life's debts. 's trying to figure out what was going on in that picture there. It looks like somebody's being split apart or something. It's crazy. I'm gonna look that one up here. I can't even tell what's going on in the picture there. It's karma somewhere. It almost looked like the elephant. I don't know if that was like Ganesha, but then there's this person here. It's weird. Dragons too. It's a strange image to me. Like up close, it kind of looks like elephant head there, but it's like this guy's legs from behind, and I can't tell what's going on over here. That's definitely a interesting piece of art there. South node, life's debts. 43, lunar eclipse, change. 44, solar eclipse, revolution. 45, part of fortune, increase. 46, grand shrine, blessings. 47, grand cross, provoker. 48, yod, destiny. 49, Jupiter return, benefits. 50, Saturn return, age. 51, Mercury retrograde, reinvention. I like that. I like these keywords that they're putting in some of these. That's a really good one for Mercury retrograde. I like that. I don't think I've heard it like that before, but it's good. 52, void of course, moon, missing. We've been talking about those void of course moons recently on this channel too. Interesting opportunities that show up when we take the time to analyze what's going on with the moon. I'm going to be talking with these more I'm really looking forward to busting these out with some readings. I'll probably use them a good bit in clarifiers. So any of you all that are ordering personal readings from me, thank you for that. I really appreciate it. My information's below if you would like one. I can do clarifiers and look for things, but I will be doing some more readings coming up here with the 2 new decks that I've received, Black Moon Astrology Cards and the Queen of the Moon Oracles that I also unboxed here recently. But I wanted to thank you all for being here. Really appreciate it. Let me know what you thought about the decks. Yeah, and let me know if any of you all are using these cards. I hadn't actually seen anybody use these before, so I'm really getting myself pumped about putting these into some of the new readings and looking forward to doing that for you all. All right, thanks for being here. Take care. Bye for now. Promise that you'll catch your